Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the apps that earn prime real estate. Pick 12 to 18 daily use apps and group them by purpose. Once done, make folders named Work, Social, Media, and Utilities so similar apps sit together. This reduces visual clutter. Now, enter Edit Home Screen with a long press, drag apps from the app library or dock, and place your top 4 in the dock. This step sets the foundation so later pages stay focused and quick to navigate. Next, design each page with intent. Keep page 1 for essentials and 2-row widgets that show calendar or shortcuts. Once arranged, populate page 2 with secondary apps grouped by task or time of day, like morning news versus evening streaming. Make sure to use the app library to remove seldom-used icons from pages while preserving them for search. This reduces page noise. Finally, test reachability. Place frequently tapped icons toward the thumb area so your layout feels natural and fast. Finish by refining. Spend a few minutes weekly to reorder icons and swap widgets so the screen stays relevant. Once done, set focus modes that show specific pages for work versus personal time. This automates visibility and reduces distraction. Make sure to back up layout with iCloud if you rely on multiple devices. If icons unexpectedly reset or move, restart the iPad and check Show on home screen toggles in Settings. That fix resolves most layout glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.